2025 Mercedes Sprinter is more than just a commercial vehicle, it's a statement of innovation, versatility, and premium design. In this video, we take a deep dive into the Sprinter's all-new look and feel, spotlighting the luxurious yellow exterior finish, the hyper-realistic build quality, and the advanced technology that makes it stand out in today's competitive van market. Captured under studio lighting with an 8K, photorealistic lens, this showcase gives you a close-up, full HD look at every curve, corner, and component, from its sleek aerodynamic bodylines to the finely crafted interior that reflects true German engineering. Mercedes-Benz has truly outdone itself with the latest evolution of the Sprinter. On the outside, the van retains its robust stance but gains new contours and refined surfaces that improve both style and aerodynamics. The side profile, especially with the sliding door open, reveals how well thought out the entry and exit design is. But it's the interior that really steals the show. The 2025 Sprinter now features a redesigned cockpit, centered around a stunning digital dashboard that includes the latest MBUX infotainment system. With a large touchscreen, voice control integration, and smartphone connectivity through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, it's built for both productivity and convenience. Everything inside feels intuitive, from the haptic controls on the steering wheel to the wireless charging pad nestled conveniently between the seats. Comfort is another standout area. Depending on the trim and customization, the Sprinter can be configured as a luxury shuttle, a mobile workspace, or a high-end camper van. The seats are plush and ergonomically designed, featuring adjustable lumbar support, premium leather upholstery, and optional massage functions in the executive trims. Ambient LED lighting sets the mood inside, and climate-controlled zones allow passengers in different areas of the van to ride in complete comfort. Insulation and soundproofing have been significantly improved, making the ride quiet and smooth, perfect for long trips or high-end passenger transport. On the safety front, the 2025 Sprinter doesn't cut corners. It includes cutting-edge features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These features are especially valuable for commercial users who need dependable safety for cargo transport or urban driving, as well as for families and van lifers who prioritize peace of mind. What makes this video worth watching is not just the tech specs or luxury feel, but the way every element comes together. From the realistic lighting and bokeh-enhanced visuals to the professional presentation, it's the perfect way to experience the 2025 Mercedes Sprinter without stepping into a dealership. For American and European audiences alike, this van meets the needs of modern mobility while pushing the boundaries of what a van can be. For more premium vehicle content and detailed looks at the latest in automotive design, don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit our channel here, https://youtube.com/@ar-autolux?si=sign 8NN1LBFB0NV6YBTS.